DataMirror Corporation has been recognized by Profit Magazine as the fastest growing software company in Canada over the past 5 years. Proud award winner of Deloitte & Touche Technology Fast 500, DataMirror has forged alliances with global leaders such as IBM, Microsoft, Oracle, Hewlett-Packard, J.D. Edwards, and Sun.
We're a software product company. We've been around since '93. We've grown very quickly. Our first year of revenue was '95. We did about $1 million that year and increased to 10 and 22, 33, 42. And analyst projections for this year, which ended at the end of January, are for about $60 million worth of revenue. So it's grown very quickly. The compounded annual growth rate during that time frame, about 220%. We're moving very quickly in the markets, in new markets we're serving. We've done a lot of IBM business on IBM computers. We're supporting Oracle today, also Microsoft, and Java-based platforms as well. We have over 300 employees, about 320 employees currently. Most of them are in North America. In our head office here in Markham, we have about 150 or more. A large number of them are distributed in offices throughout the U.S. We have about 8 or 10 sales and engineering offices there. We also have a very strong base in London, England, where we have development and support for our whole European operations, about 70 people there. So we're around the world. We're in Hong Kong, Paris, all of the exciting cities around the world, and we're very pleased about that.
Well, let me send you the email from this one.
Since 1993, the market for our products, which allow different databases and systems to communicate to one another, has really exploded. And this has been propelled in part by the growth of the internet, e-business, business intelligence, and company mergers. Now more than ever, companies need to be able to share their data, whether that's between different business applications, different business units, or different locations, business locations. We feel that the market opportunity is phenomenal. I guess the best endorsement for our company and our products is that in a fairly short period of time, we have over 1,300 users and over 5,000 installed licenses. And if you look at our list of customers that are part of our user community, it really reads like a who's who of industry. We have industry leaders such as Barnes & Noble, Tiffany & Company, GMAC Commercial Mortgage, Toys R Us, Campbell Soup, Fiserv, SC Johnson Wax, Global Crossings, and that's just to name a few. Really, it's a very broad group of industries that are represented here. The growth and the evolution has been great, but the best part is it's just the beginning.
DataMirror has a great track record from the perspective of fundraising. We get involved in a lot of community-based events, namely the Dragon Boat team, our DataMirror Dragons, for the last 3 years running, have been the top fundraising company. This year alone, we raised $36,000 that would benefit cancer research, and we've always been a strong supporter of the United Way. And this year, our participation level reached 70%. I think collectively for the year, we also raised approximately $100,000, which shows the type of people that work with the company that want to give back to the community and get involved and do good things.
We're very pleased. We've just recently been listed on NASDAQ. We have been listed on the Toronto Stock Exchange now for some period of time, and we've just cross-listed out onto NASDAQ, and that's really boded well for the company's futures and our ability to attract financing and additional growth. So those are exciting developments for the company, and we really believe that it's going to take us into a strong year next year as well.
Excuse me, sir. Forgot your receipt.
Checkout lines. Who needs them? This is the future of e-business.
Have a nice day.
Having the commitment to excel is just one of the ingredients that make a company an award winner and a great candidate for Canada's best businesses. DataMirror Corporation is a leader in the software industry with over 300 employees in North America, Europe, and Hong Kong. DataMirror has over 1,300 customers and made more than $42 million in revenues last year.
We're very customer-focused. Since the company's inception, we've worked to become a truly customer-centric organization. I mean, our customers don't just invest in our technology, they invest in relationships, they invest in people, they invest in values, and most importantly, they invest in our vision. So our most valued partners are our customers, and they partner with us for long-term success. In turn, DataMirror is committed to ensuring world-famous customer experiences, from product support to online services to our annual user group conference. And DataMirror has seen some tangible results from our distinctive approach to customer service. 95% of our customers renew their annual maintenance agreements with us year after year, and many customers have entered into multi-year maintenance subscription agreements with us from the outset.
At DataMirror, the primary #1 goal is to establish world-famous customer experience. So this has forced us to change processes that would typically have kept departments away from the customers, such as development and quality assurance, to be more reactive and sensitive to the needs and the experiences that those customers are having. We have a customer advisory council combined with our user group conference held annually that allow us to work with the customers on what they need, what they expect, and what they want from the software. We look at the post-sale side of working with the products in terms of product support. We've taken initiatives, traditional initiatives such as telephone support, and complemented that with new technology that allows customers different means of getting access to us, such as email support, such as video on the web support, and such as knowledge bases. These things have allowed us to significantly reduce the time to closure for customers' inquiries or customer cases that come into the product support area, and have significantly increased the customer experience.
Then we'll do some architecture.
We're aggressive. We go out and we create new markets. We realize that velocity is critical in today's software industry, and if we don't keep growing, changing, and driving, some competitor may come along and attempt to take market share from us. So velocity is part of everything we do. It's not just a concept, it's a core principle of the business. As a matter of fact, one of our corporate values is to do it fast and do it right. So we act quickly, we sell quickly, we implement quickly, and we innovate new software quickly.
Come in here and click start.
There are a number of things that differentiate DataMirror from our competitors, and one of the things I'm pretty proud of is that we've built ourselves a great team, pretty much a dream team that is multicultural in nature, that allows us to be effective on a global scale. As well, we've also tapped into one of the strongest talent pool of software developers in Canada. We also have the luxury of having lower turnover rates, and that allows us to be more competitive and lends itself to long-term retention and helps to build the company and makes it stronger and more committed employees that are on board. So we feel strongly that this organization is competitive on a worldwide level, and it's because of our employees and the talent pool that we have here.
As we look out into the future, we're driving a lot of revenue by creating the right type of customer experience. The overall goal for the company is to create a wonderful customer experience, and you see that through all the departments, whether it's engineering or support or sales, and we really have been able to differentiate by the experience we've been able to create for customers, and they've been really adopting our technology on a broad basis because of that.